Hello there beauties, your girl Euniycemari here, and so today we're going to be talking about what causes discoloration under the arm. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty DIYs, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure you also turn on the post notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And if you like what I do here on my channel, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and share your girl with the world. So along this whole journey of me being natural under the arm, or going natural in my choices of what I use for my underarm care, I get that question of, my underarms are dark, what do I do about it? Or I'm suffering from darkness under the arm, what do I do about it? If you guys have not caught up on all my videos, I will leave the playlist above, down below. They're very informative videos about going natural under the arm, so this is kind of like another piece to the puzzle, so you can always go and check those videos out as well to kind of make everything complete for yourself if you are considering going on a natural underarm journey. In this video, I'm going to break down what causes the skin discoloration, why does the skin become darker underneath the arm, and then in a second video, I'm going to talk about what you can do to lighten that underarm. The first thing I want to zone in on is a major question that I get, and it's about baking soda. If you guys remember, or if you don't remember, I have a full video talking about baking soda and why it irritates the underarm area. I will leave it above, down below. But I get that question of, hey, I'm using baking soda and my underarms are irritated, they're dark, why? Baking soda does throw off the pH balance of the skin, and it can become very irritable. So what I suggest doing is that if you have irritation, darkness from baking soda, one, stop using altogether. Two, lessen the amount that you are using, okay? The only problem sometimes with that is when you buy a store-bought deodorant, natural deodorant like Schmidt's, that has already a recipe already made, you don't know what your skin is going to do. You don't know how it's going to react. You can only try it, and you don't really know how much baking soda is in that, okay? So if you're using store-bought, natural deodorants, and they are still not working for you and you're still getting darkness and irritation, either number one, cut it out altogether, or you're going to have to DIY your own deodorant using little quantities of baking soda, or playing around with the recipe a little bit until you can find what works for you and your skin. Also, another little side note is that to heal that, you want to make sure that you just cut it out and apply moisture. Coconut oil is my favorite thing to use to kind of moisturize the arm and underarm and to heal the underarm. So I just wanted to kind of zone in on that, because that seems to have been the major question from you guys a lot in my past deodorant videos. I've gotten that a lot, so I just thought, hey, this is the perfect time to kind of put that out there, that if you are suffering from that, that's what you can do. And also, I will link the video talking all about baking soda and underarm irritation, so you guys can get a full scale of why it irritates your arm, what you can do, etc., etc. Let's get into what causes underarm discoloration. The first thing that I've never heard of this before, when I was doing my research, this is a first. I've seen this condition on skin before, but I didn't know it had a name to it. Skin condition called Acanthosis Nigricans, or Nigricans. I'll put the word here. I probably totally butchered it, but pretty much it's discoloration in the folds and creases. It can be in the underarm, it can be in the neck, it can be in the actual arm. Anywhere there's folds in the skin, they can be darker pigmentation. And I mean not just slightly darker pigmentation, because if you do look at the folds in certain parts of your body, the pigmentation is darker, but with this condition, it's extremely dark. Like, it's a whole nother level. Not just one shade or two shades darker, it's like 4 or 5 shades darker. So that is one condition that you can have that can cause you to have darkness under the arm due to the folding of the underarm, okay? And that's something that I learned. Didn't even know that that was even a condition, but I've seen it before. Another one is skin irritation. It can be from shaving, it can be from deodorant use. So if you are using anything from traditional deodorant to maybe a natural deodorant, and it's just irritating the skin, your skin will flare up. That can cause discoloration, okay? A lot of times people are using these deodorants and they don't understand that that is what's irritating their skin. They're like, why is my skin darker? What's going on? And years and years and years and years of using traditional deodorant that does not work with your skin can cause you to have a darkness. That can cause skin irritation. Also, shaving can cause skin irritation. The constant motion of shaving the hair, and then the hair growing back, that can cause skin irritation as well. The last key thing that can cause skin discoloration is health conditions. So you have hormones, diabetes, medicines can cause you to have your skin to react differently. And I think it's always important, and you guys know this, it's always important for me to also throw in health conditions, because health conditions affect the skin. They can affect how the skin looks, how the skin feels, how your skin receives products, all of that. So if you have hormone issues, if you have diabetes, if you're taking any medicines, those can also cause darkness within the skin in certain areas of the body. That is the cause of underarm discoloration. I think out of 3 of these, the main one that kind of really seems to be the most popular one to me will be the skin irritation. A lot of people don't understand what's irritating their skin, or what they're using is irritating their skin. If they're not removing traditional deodorant properly from their underarm, the regular deodorant, it sticks to you. It's hard to get out of your clothes, it's hard to get off from your underarm. It's like a waxy feeling. That build up can cause skin irritation. It can cause a residue left, discoloration under the arm. So that is pretty much, you know, my thoughts on that. And in the second video, I'm going to talk about ways that you can lighten the underarms. What can you do to get rid of that darkness, or to start to fade away that darkness? Because anything with the skin, when it comes to fading out any darkness or discoloration, takes time. But we will discuss all of that in a next video. If you guys have any other tips here for anybody when it comes to underarm discoloration, share them with us down below. Have you suffered from underarm discoloration? What have you done? What is your cause? Do you think it's skin irritation? Do you have some type of health issue? Like, share your experience, and let's, you know, crisscross information. I always like doing that here on my channel. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you in a later video. Bye.